Hi, it's me, Autoimmune Warriors here, and I have a really interesting video for you today. Today, I'm going to show you how I made dandelion honey. And I know you're thinking, dandelions, honey? They're not bees. I know, it's more of like a honey-like syrup, but it is so sweet and so delicious, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. I learned that 100% of the dandelion plant is edible. The flower, the leaves, the roots, everything. So my daughter and I, we went and picked some dandelions and we made honey. So the following video is the recipe and the how-to to make this syrup. I hope you enjoy. Thanks.
After you collect your 4 cups of flowers, you're going to want to rinse them in cold water to get rid of all the bugs. Then you want to place the flowers and the citrus fruit in a pot of water and boil it for 15 to 20 minutes. You want to let this mixture infuse for 6 hours or overnight if possible. Then you want to strain off the flowers the next day and keep the water solution. You want to combine the water solution and add the sugar, stirring on low heat until the sugar is dissolved. Then you want to increase the heat to a gentle boil and stir for 15 minutes. Last, you want to pour into clean jars and put the lid on while still hot, and voila! Dandelion honey.